This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Lacie Groeninger. Immaculate home with the Dunwoody floor plan and gated Del Webb at Lake Oconee community. Boasting 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an office, numerous closets, spacious dining area, open concept floor plan, plentiful countertop and cabinet space and pantry with custom shelving and kitchen. Screen porch and covered patio give you plenty of space to enjoy the outdoors in your private backyard. Loaded with upgrades and high-end features, this is hands down one of the most pristine resale properties in this community. For more information, review the details below or contact Lacie Groeninger at 678-614-2800.